John Deere 445, 60-inch deck, 22 horsepower Kawasaki engine. We're tearing this machine down into parts. It's a complete part out. Reason for the tear down is it's got a bad fuel pump or a fuel issue somewhere. This machine is located at Martos Motorsports in Detroit Lakes, Minnesota. Shipping is available on all the parts. Our phone number is 218-844-4968. The rear tires are good. It's got good tread life left, it looks like. Tail lights. It's got rear auxiliary hydraulics. We don't know what that's for. I'm thinking he ran a rear power flow system of some kind. Side panel's got a few cracks in them like usual. One up there on the left hand side. The deck appears to be okay. The deck will also be for sale. It's a 60-inch 3-blade. Front grille is in good shape. The front tires are bald. The machine has 2,859 hours on it. It's got the high back seat. It's in fairly good shape. All the parts will also be listed on eBay underneath our store, Martos Motorsports LLC. From what I can see, the hood appears to be okay. It's been refiberglassed up in the front left corner. The mounting bolts look to be okay. We'll know when we get in there. Again, the engine will be for sale. All the parts on this machine will be available for sale. Again, our phone number is 218-844-4968 if you would like to buy parts off this machine. Thanks for stopping by.